Hi there. Welcome back to another episode of Jana Eats, the gluten and dairy-free cooking show. But let me assure you, without those ingredients, it's still food for all. So don't scroll past this video because you think you love dairy and gluten so much. Anyway, we're gonna do a really easy, really fast, super kid-friendly salad. And it's Cuban in origin and really yummy. So I've got a bunch of bananas down my driveway. You can see the clip. And so we're gonna take bananas, and I'm gonna do 3 for this, but you can certainly do more depending on the size of your clan that you've got to feed. But anyway, I'm just gonna do the 3. You're just gonna slice the bananas. The other thing that this salad calls for is a toasted nut. Peanuts work great for this, but I've got walnuts, so I'm gonna use them. And I do think it's better toasted than raw, so feel free, but you don't have to. You know what I mean? Make it your salad. The other thing I grow in my garden, and I think everybody could probably do this, is mint. Mint and rosemary seem to kind of grow most places. So the only thing is mint does require a lot of water. So put it in a soggy place. I have gray water from my washing machine that goes into my garden. So I have that really sort of soggy, boggy place. Houses my mint. I'm gonna rinse my hands off. So I just got a couple sprigs. We'll probably use about, I don't know, I like minty, fresh, scintillating goodness. So I'm going to do, there's probably 10 leaves here. And then you're just gonna give them a little rough cut. Nothing too dramatic. The other thing you're gonna need is the juice. Now for 2, I used 3 bananas. So the juice for 3 bananas, you're gonna use the juice of half of a lime. Half a lime. The other thing is, go to your farmer's market and buy local honey. It helps your local beekeepers, and it also has plants and pollen and things from your area. So if you've got allergies, local honey is a real helper with that. Kind of cut down, you know, get your body used to those pollens and allergens in your area. And as you can see, I use maybe a tablespoon. Doesn't take much, but it kind of counterbalances that lime in there. And then walnuts. Walnuts are really good for you, and they're kind of forgotten. I mean, they have omega 3s and 6s that aren't found in other things and other nutrients. So I love a walnut. And then I'm just gonna here, get out your aggressions. Think of someone that's annoying you during this COVID pandemic. Give them a good crush. There you go. And, oh, this looks good enough to eat. Now, one thing that I add to a lot of my sweet salads is a little bit of salt. If you do like a pinch of salt into something sweet, it really enhances the flavor. It's delicious. So, and as you, like, just a touch. Unless you're a salty person like me, salty personality. Anyway, it's done. How hard was that? You know, the kids come in from outside playing in the sprinklers and they want something to eat. Make them this. And like I said, peanuts with this it's really good if you can tolerate peanuts, because, you know, peanut butter and banana goes together. Anyway, thank you for joining me. Do me a huge favor, subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers so I can do this live on my phone. Whoop, whoop. So it would really, really help me if you'd subscribe. And then, of course, like and watch the episodes as well. But anyway, thank you for joining me. I'll be back next time with another gluten and dairy-free sensation. And I'll see you next time. Thank you for joining me.